The member for Rustico Elmrose.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Today I would like to share a poem by my constituent Brenden Carr. Now, Brenden is known for his sense of humour, outgoing personality, and rubber boots. And he's just in his late teens, and he's well on his way to becoming a legendary character on the North Shore of PEI. Mr. Speaker, we often talk of island culture in this legislature, and I think Brendan's poem speaks volumes. Here's his poem. I am from where the shanties line the wharf, from the noise of waves crashing in the summer breeze. I am from the awakening sound of the boats leaving the harbour, from giant bluefin tuna and cranky tourists. I am from kitchen parties every weekend, either in the kitchen or the barn, from iterations of twangy guitars and whiny fiddles. I am from backcountry roads where the red dirt stains your tires, from tailgates and bonfires. I am from snaring rabbits and coyotes deep in the woods, from eel spearing and smelt nets. I am from home-cooked meals on saddened Sundays, from don't take any wooden nickels and dearly beloved. I am from Marmar's silly cinnamon rolls, from goose jerky and deer sausages. I am from Saturday hoedown, echoing throughout the island, from I'm going to hire a wino and bimbo. I am from snowmobile rides on the frozen river, from ice fishing and slimy fish. I am from the local robins every morning to meet the old people, from Wharf and Slippy. I am from the heart of PEI, the place I call home. Thank you, Brenden Carr.